Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you with me to start off my birthday celebration at a beautiful hotel right here in Antigua at Nonsuch Bay Resort. My birthday is tomorrow, September 8th, 2025, and the time you're going to be viewing this video, it will be past that. However, this video was filmed on the 7th of September. Once again, thank you very much for clicking on this video, and don't forget to like this video if you love this, if you enjoy this, like this video, and don't forget to share this video to a friend and even a loved one who you would like to share this experience with. Welcome to the Escape at Nonsuch Bay Antigua, all-inclusive, adults-only plunge pool suites. The perfect getaway for seclusion and magical moments. I got the chance to stay in this gorgeous, spacious room, perfect for a peaceful getaway. Honestly, I felt like this was the perfect start for my birthday, relaxation and luxury. One of the things that I love most about Nonsuch Bay is the environment. It's calm, it's serene, and it gives you that feel of wellness, like the kind of place that you just want to unplug and recharge. And of course, you know I had to show you the breakfast the next morning. So don't skip this one. Coming up, I'm going to show you the breakfast. It's fresh, it's delicious, and it's served with the most beautiful view. It was the perfect way to start the day and continue with my birthday celebration. have come to the end of today's video. If you're looking for a peaceful escape in Antigua, check out Nonsuch Bay Resort. I had such a relaxing time getting ready for my birthday. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel and lifestyle content. Stay tuned for the rest of my birthday adventures.